the question, look, right now China, when I was in the Peace Corps in Africa, the Chinese communists were going around trying to recruit communists in Africa. You saw the propaganda at these marketplaces and all. You know, they were selling their stuff. Now they're buying everything. They're buying all the resources of the world. They're around everywhere buying everything. They can buy all the oil here, they can buy all the timber here, they can buy everything. Look how much money they have. They are the richest country in the world, basically, in terms of being able to buy resources. And we always wanted the world to go capitalist. Well, they have. Brazil, Russia, India. India now is the third largest stock exchange in the world. We're sitting around, we're thinking like the Cold War. These neoconservatives, what they talk about is the Cold War, and Islamofascism, and homeland security, and where it's like regime change, all that sort of lingo, that sort of neocon lingo. The fact is they're not aware of the world. The world is becoming dramatically bigger than that. The world's bigger than Al-Qaeda. The world's huge. And it's, we have problems with terrorism, but the bigger problem is how are we going to fit into this world that has been created now? My wife just got back from China. She works for Marriott. She's executive VP of Marriott. China skipped the 19th and 20th century. You know, they got all the designer shops in the world. They got all the 10-lane highways. They've got the buildings through the roof. Shanghai's unbelievable. You know, Philly compared to Shanghai is nothing. They're just zooming. So we got to deal with that world. They can come here and buy all our trees. You know, it's a new world. And I'd like to hear how the presidential candidates address that situation. How do they deal with debt? How do they deal with trade? How are they going to deal with it? I don't know how to do it all. Somebody's got to figure it out. I'm sure they were unexamined. I think Hillary probably has thought about it a lot. Who else is out there thinking a lot? I'm not sure. Obama probably has a review. You're going to have to ask the candidates. I can't speak for them, but I'll tell you the questions you have to ask. Where are we going to be on energy? This oil's going to run out. I mean, look at the oil prices. It's going up. You know, what happens when it's $200 a barrel? Where do we go for energy? Russia's going to get rich. Any country selling oil is going to get rich. Exxon and Mobil are doing okay. Look at their profits. Look at their quarterly profits this year. 30-something billion, first quarter. So there's a lot going on in the world. My financial advisor personally tells me, put all money overseas, don't put it here. People are investing everything overseas now. Our economy's not growing. The American economy is not growing. All the people making money in the stock market are making money on overseas investments. And even the companies we have here are Japanese companies. The other companies are moving in. Our big three are not doing well, right? So that's all. You guys are going to live in a totally different world than we've lived in since World War II. Totally different. It's not going to be dominated by American